is day number 3 and this is the last day. So we have to have fun as much as possible because if we don't, we'll miss this place. Okay.
5 minutes later.
And now for our last destination, guess where we are heading to?
Oh no! Join us on MarVerz videos. Lake Minnewanka. Okay, let's go there.
Lake Minnewanka, also known as Lake of the Water Spirits, is a glacial lake located in the eastern area of Banff National Park in Canada, about 5 kilometers northeast of the Banff town site. Aboriginal people long inhabited areas around Lake Minnewanka as early as 10,000 years ago, according to stone tools and a Clovis Point spearhead discovered by archaeologists. The area is rich in animal life, and the easy availability of rock in the mountainous terrain was key to fashioning weapons for hunting.
We are going to cruise on a boat, but we just spotted a deal. If you spotted it and if you saw it, don't blink. And if you do, you must have missed it. But if you do, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel immediately. Because the deal is gone forever.
Is finished.
Let's go cruising.
The lake is 21 kilometers long and 142 meters deep, making it the second longest lake in the mountain parks of the Canadian Rockies. The Lake Minnewanka Cruise is located at Lake Minnewanka, a 15-minute drive from the town site of Banff along the Minnewanka Loop Drive in Banff National Park, Alberta, Canada. They are offering their guests the ability to select a date with a ticket price that varies based on projected visitation. Book online for the best price and to avoid lineups. Ages 5 and under ride for free but require a ticket. Mandatory health checks are in place to ensure everyone's safety. You will be required to wear a face mask during the experience. Due to limited parking, guests are asked to arrive at the boat docks 1 hour prior to their tour. Lake Minnewanka is one of the most popular recreational areas in Banff National Park. There are plenty of great trails for hiking and biking in addition to picnic areas. In addition to this, you can also rent kayaks, fishing boats, or visit the Lake Minnewanka cruise for an interpretive voyage across the lake. What are you doing?
Coloring.
Here, look.
You're coloring?
Coloring the book from here.
Where it came from?
Meaning, it comes from the captain. You just have to raise your hand up, then you get one. But unless if you're a kid, you can get one. Ha ha ha.
And you, what are you doing?
I'm playing toys.
And you, what are you doing?
Gapo, Tisay. Gapo. Nagpihil yan eh. Ha?
Why are we not singing?
Soy. Yung paano yung ano? Soy.
Oh no, we're moving. Papa puts it on this.
So how's it?
Kasi di ko kami yung isa dito lang.
Soy, how are you?
Na nang
What can you say? Come on. You're scared? Are you scared? Oh, look. We're almost there, oh. We're almost there.
oh, bye-bye.
Kuya, how are you? What can you say, Kuya? The Lake Minnewanka Cruise, formerly known as Banff Lake Cruise, is a unique sightseeing tour exploring Lake Minnewanka, the largest lake in Banff National Park. Our voyage is an approximate 1-hour interpretive cruise with an experienced captain and an entertaining guide who introduce us to the rugged paradise, native folklore, and geology of the area.
masasabi mo, Elias?
Look at the view, it's so beautiful.
Cover your nose too, Elias.
Your nose.
Nose and mouth.
Nose and mouth. Check. I'm excited.
The boat capacity in normal times ranges from 38 to 60 passengers depending on which boat you are on. But this last summer, all boats had significantly restricted capacity to allow for 2 meters distance between passengers.
That's so great. How was it used to be? Now we're moving. On the deck. We are on the deck.
Let's take a picture. If you have both a little time and budget, if you have a lot of time but limited budget, or if you have abundant time and budget, what is important is the worth of your travel experience, especially with your family and loved ones.
My favorite place to go in this video is the rock store. Our travel here is over, but the journey has just begun. So thank you viewers for watching our vlogs, and just stay tight for more upcoming videos. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.